An API can go down for several reasons. Let's say you have a single server running your app and database. If this gets wiped out, you can redeploy the app, but not the database because you never took any backups. The fix is to have scheduled backups, but also keep them outside so that you can restore them later. If the app goes down again, you might go for the logs, but logs might not be there because you were writing to the standard output. You can fix this by writing to log files, but also make sure to have log rotation so that the old logs can get removed. After some time, you might notice the application keep crashing because of some memory leak. You can fix the memory leak, but also have auto restarts so that you don't need to log into the server and manually restart the app. As the time goes, you might notice that the application is crashing again, and it could be because of your database because you went with the defaults. You can fix this by modifying the database configuration for production so that it can handle the production load. If you notice the app to be slow, you can put CDN for the static assets and you can put Redis for the dynamic content caching. After some time, you might notice that the CPU and memory are being high, and it could be because both the app and database are running on the same server and they might be competing for resources. You can fix this by moving database to a separate server, but as the data size grows, you will notice that the database is becoming a bottleneck. You can fix this by having database replication, so you can have multiple instances. You always write to the primary database, but data gets replicated to secondary databases and you read from the secondary databases. As you get more and more users, one server might not be enough to handle all the load, so you can add more servers and you put load balancer in the front so that the traffic can be routed to multiple different servers. And now that we have multiple servers, we can't have Redis and logs on each of the separate servers. We need to put them out to separate servers so that we can have one place to look at logs, and also we have shared cache for multiple different servers. Now this was just a high level overview of all the different pieces. We'll be looking at each of them in much more detail in the future videos.